Hello and welcome back. Now we have understood the fundamentals of programming. It's time to get into the doors of Java. When it comes to Java, it is rich in features and it has so many features. It is a multi-threaded programming language. Java is freely downloadable. Java was open source. Now it is closed source. So many things we can discuss about this. To start with, two important key features we need to understand at the beginning itself. One happens to be Java is a platform independent programming language. Java is Vora. Java supports Vora. What is Vora? Platform independent programming language, a portable programming language. We need to understand. In the process, you'll understand how the execution will happen in Java program fundamentally. Apart from that, we need to understand Java as a object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. What do you mean by that? We need to understand. To start with, first we may have to discuss what is platform independent. Why we call Java as a platform independent programming language. For which, first you may have to understand what is a platform, what is platform dependency, so that you can easily understand platform independency means what and how Java achieved platform independency or how Java made Vora. We need to understand this. Then we shall see on the object orientation. To start the journey, what do we mean by a platform? That is the first point which we may have to understand here. Platform in general is a combination of your processor and your operating system. The one who is responsible to execute any application, anything on your device, on your machine. It's a combination of your processor plus operating system. However, in terms of calling, if someone says which platform they are working on, you need not to say both processor and operating system information. You just have to say about operating system information. Processor means maybe I'll say here Intel processor and plus Windows operating system. Fine. Intel processor plus maybe Mac operating system, Mac OS, maybe Mac chip, that is only processor, and the operating system also is the same. So it's a combination of these two we call it as platform. But for a software engineer, if someone says platform, they are referring to only operating system. If someone asks you which platform are you working on, you need not to say Intel and then you can say Windows. You can just say I'm working on Windows platform. But behind the scene, the real meaning is it's combination of these two things which is responsible to run the Java or to run any application in that matter. Fine. Now please understand what is platform dependency and what is platform independency. First, we need to understand what do we mean by platform dependent. Fine. Suppose I have few systems here, I have few computers here. Let me give the diagram. As you can see here, consider these as the system. You can see here there is a system with Windows platform and Macintosh platform. Platform is again it's a combination of both which is responsible to run any application. Suppose I have written one program here in any of the high level programming language, anything which is in the English like commands. It could be C programming language or Java, any programming language in that matter. Suppose C is the example where you have written print, scan, all of that. Now you know very well platform understands only zeros and ones. In order to convert whatever English code you have written into zeros and ones, we have one system software which we have discussed in the introduction to programming video. It is none other than compiler. Great. Now what happens here? Whatever code we have written in high level language, that will be given to compiler. Compiler will convert that into machine level language. Machine level language. It could be 010101. Fine. And now that machine level code will be given to the platform and it will give you the out. Of course, if it is a C language, it will be converted again. Linker will be involved. An executive file will be made. All this there. But for now, again, it's not about C is a platform dependent or independent. I'm trying to make you understand in general. Any language, it could be Java also. So whatever program we have written, whatever application we have developed, we have used English like commands. print, scan, if, else. Our platform understands only zeros and ones. In between, we have a concept of compiler. We'll convert and make one executable file, and then we will give to our platform. Platform will give us result. Now, same application I want to execute on different systems. Suppose they are connected over a network with the concept of internetworking. All these computers are connected with each other with the concept of internetworking. Great. This application I want to run on a different machine. One machine which has the Windows platform, one more machine which has a Mac platform. Great. Now, will you send the high level code directly here? No. Even today, internetworking is not safe. You cannot give high level. You cannot upload your code as it is on the internet. Anyone and everyone will download it and they'll make their own application. Imagine WhatsApp, instead of uploading the actual application executable file, if they have uploaded the high level code, everyone would have downloaded that and there could have been lakhs and crores of their own personal WhatsApp applications, right? They have uploaded the executable file, the file which can directly run here. So now this machine level, machine understandable executable file is what I may have to upload over the network, and other systems, they can download it in order to run my application. Suppose this application has downloaded this executable code, and maybe this system also have downloaded that executable code, machine understandable format, compiled executable code. Fine. Now, if you try to run this on this platform, it will work and it will give you the result. If you try to run this executable machine understandable code in this platform, it will not work. It will say, no, I cannot run this. Why? Machine level language is always platform dependent. Machine level language says that I have been converted to high level, to machine understandable format, into binary code, into zeros and ones on Windows platform. I will work only on Windows. Now, the conversion to high level into machine understandable format, this entire conversion in the entire compilation has happened on Windows platform. And this compiled code, this executable machine understandable code, if you upload over the network and if other systems try to download, if they are trying to execute this machine understandable code on the Windows platform, no problem, it will work. If you try to run that on a platform which is other than Windows, Mac, Linux, it will not work, because this machine level says that, look, I have a requirement. I became machine level. I became binary code on Windows platform. I will work only on Windows. If you try to make me work on some other platform apart from Windows, I would not be working. This is the case of platform dependency. We call this as platform dependent. If any programming language follows this structure, that will become a platform dependent programming language. That means if you have compiled and made one executable file, machine understandable file, machine level code on a Windows platform, that code you can run, you can execute that application only on Windows platform. You cannot run anything other than Windows. But Java is a platform independent programming language. Now we need to understand how Java made platform independent programming language. The question is, Java is like a high level programming language. English like commands is used. There also print is there, scan, if, else. And our platform understand only zeros and ones. Correct? Now, if Java has to be executed, Java code also must be converted to zeros and ones. Fine. If Java has followed the same structure, but how Java became platform independent? What is that extra thing Java has done to make it platform independent? A portable programming language, or you can say architectural neutral, or you can also say Vora. How Java made Vora, or platform independent programming language. Now, what is platform? And if you have understood what do we mean by platform dependency, it will be easy for you to understand what is platform independent and how Java made platform independent. Fine. So thank you for joining me in this video. In next video, we will understand how Java code gets executed and how Java made platform independent programming language.